Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and you're enjoying your holidays. But beside that, you are going to study also, and hope you are putting full attention towards the studies and the videos which we are sending you. You are watching those videos and working according to those videos. Children, last time we did a concept about circle. Did you remember about that? Okay, we are going to revise it that we did it about circle. That a circle is round in shape and a circle has no side and no corners. What we did, that a circle is always round in shape and a circle don't have any side or any corner. But today we are going to do another concept, and that is about a triangle. That is about triangle. This is a triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. What is this? This is a triangle. Now children, see that who is here to meet you. What is this? This is a triangle. Today triangle is over here to meet you people and say hello to all of you. Say hello to triangle. Yes, say hello. Wow, triangle is happy. Okay, now what I'm going to do, children, I'm going to tell you about triangle. That a triangle has three sides. 1, 2 and 3. How many sides does a triangle have? It has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. A triangle has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. And a triangle has 3 corners even. 1, 2 and 3. How many corners does a triangle have? 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay children, now what we are going to do, that I am going to show you some flashcards in which I am going to show you that there are many things which are in triangular shape. And one thing what you have to do at home, now you are going to explore these things in your home also. Ask your mama and take the help from your mama that what you are going to do, that you are going to see that which things are in triangular shape. Take the pictures of those things and send me the videos that you have find out all these things at home. And these things are in your home which are in triangular shape. So first of all, I will show you some flashcards. Now look at the flashcards and you are going to tell me which picture is it. Now children, tell me which picture is it? Yes, it's a pizza. It's a pizza. Now see children, the pizza has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. And it has got 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. A pizza has 3 sides and 3 corners. But you must be thinking about that a pizza is in a round shape. Yes, it's in a round shape. But when we cut its slices, they come out in a triangular shape. When we cut the slices, they come in the triangular shape. So, a piece of a pizza is also in a triangular shape. Now look at the next picture. Which picture is it? Yes, tell me, which picture is it? Can you tell me children, which picture is it? Yes, it's a watermelon. It's a watermelon. We cut the watermelon also in the shape of a triangular. So it has 3 sides and 3 corners. A watermelon also have got a piece of a watermelon. When we cut in the shape of a triangle, it also has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay children. Now tell me, what is this? You all know about it. What is this? Yes, this is a hanger. And we all have hangers in our home, in our cupboards. And we hang the clothes on the hanger. So you all are familiar with the hanger, that what is a hanger and where we keep the hangers. We keep the hangers in the cupboard. So now what you have to see, that the hanger is also in a triangular shape. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. A hanger also has got 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, one more picture I am going to show you. What is this? Yes, what is this? This is a party hat. We wear it in the birthday parties. This is a party hat. We all wear when your birthday comes. You wear the party hat, na? So it's a party hat. And now can you tell me, does it have any sides or corners? Yes, it also have 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. A party hat also has 3 sides and 3 corners, and it's in a triangular shape. Okay children, what is this? You all are familiar with it. What is this? Yes, this is a boat. This is a boat, and a boat also have 3 sides and 3 corners. 1 side, 2nd side and the 3rd side, and 3 corners. 1, 2 and 3. It is also in a triangular shape, and it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay, the last one, but it's not the last one. You have to find out at your home also. There will be many things which you see at home which are in triangular shape. What are these? Yes, these are mountains. These are mountains, and mountains are also in a triangular shape. Mountains are also in a triangular shape. They are also in triangular shape. It has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 corners, 1, 2 and 3. Mountains have 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay children, now you have understood about and you have seen many pictures related to the triangle, and you know it very well that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, and you have understood the concept of triangle, and you know that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Remember this thing, that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now children, we are going to do an activity, and for the activity the material which you need is that you need a glue. You need a glue. You need 3 ice cream sticks, and you need a thread or a ribbon. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to make a photo frame or a wall hanging. It depends on you what you want to make it. What you will do, you will put 1 ice cream stick over here, then you will put a glue over here, and you will stick it like this. Okay, then take another stick, put the glue over here and the glue over here, and what you have to do, now you will stick that another stick on the other side, making a triangle like this. Okay, now what you will do, you have made this triangle. Now you can decorate your triangle with the things you need. You can make small flowers, or you can make anything you like. You can put fruits even over here and decorate this frame. And then I have made one for you. It's a sample one that I made it a wall hanging. And what I have done, I have made a hook with a thread. I made a hook with the thread because I have made a wall hanging, and I will hang it on the wall. And if you want to make a photo frame, put your photo inside it and make a photo frame. And decorate it the way I have decorated it with the flowers. You can also make small flowers or anything you like and decorate your frame. And put a loop over here to hang it. And make it and send me the picture of this photo frame or wall hanging. I hope you will understood the concept of triangle, and you will come to know that you have made a frame or a wall hanging of a triangle. In this triangle, see that it has 3 corners and 3 sides. 3 corners and 3 sides. So remember this thing, that a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Children, practice this at home. Find the things related to the triangle, take the pictures and send it to me. Hope you have understood the concept and you will revise it at home also.